As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at two Charbroil grills here. The Grill2Go X200, BOOB FPMLI8, and the Performance Series 3-burner, B07JYQ BQG5. What are the main differences that jump out at you?
Well, right off the bat, size and intended use. The Grill2Go is clearly portable, weighing only 20 pounds, while the Performance Series is a full-size cart grill at 85 pounds.
Makes sense. So, Grill2Go for camping, Performance Series for the backyard. What about cooking area?
Big difference there, too. The Grill2Go has a 200 square inch cooking surface. The Performance Series boasts a generous 600 square inches, including a warming rack. You could grill a whole feast on that thing.
Wow, that's a significant jump. And what about burners and BTU?
The Grill2Go is a single burner with 9,500 BTUs, which is fine for its size. The Performance Series has 3 main burners, plus a side burner, totaling 34,000 BTUs. So much more cooking power.
Okay, so clearly the Performance Series is more powerful and bigger, but what about the actual grilling technology? I see both mention TRU infrared.
Yeah, both use Charbroil's TRU infrared system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly. The core tech is the same, but the scale is very different. The Performance Series is going to distribute that heat across a much larger area.
And materials? Are they both stainless steel?
The Performance Series definitely has more stainless steel. The Grill2Go has a stainless steel grate and aluminum lid, but also uses porcelain-coated steel. Both have porcelain-coated steel grates.
What about ignition?
The Grill2Go uses a push-button ignition, while the Performance Series has electronic ignition, which is generally more reliable.
Okay, last thing. Price. How do they compare?
The Grill2Go is much cheaper, typically around $150. The Performance Series is more expensive, around $300. You're paying for the extra cooking space, burners, and overall size.
So basically, if I need a portable grill, the Grill2Go is the way to go. But if I want a full-size grill for regular use, the Performance Series is the better choice.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs and how much grilling you plan to do.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.